Hey everyone, welcome to another Rev Update. My name's Nathan and today I'm going to be talking about Aston Martin, everybody's favorite British car company that exclusively supplies cars to secret agents. Now today, Aston Martin's mission is a little different. In the context of the COVID-19 pandemic, the company has shifted its focus to producing personal protective equipment for physicians and other medical personnel on the front lines of the fight against the novel coronavirus. One of these technologies that Aston Martin has been working on is a face shield that doctors can wear while treating patients. These face shields are 3D printed and hand-assembled at Aston Martin's factory. The fact that most of Aston Martin's workforce is trained to assemble car interiors by hand means they are uniquely qualified to build these new designs by hand as well. Aston Martin is looking to start delivering these face shields to local hospitals in the United Kingdom, and their first delivery will be with the DBX SUV, their new performance crossover, adventure mobile, and one of the most practical vehicles Aston Martin has ever built. The DBX seats 5 people, has a hatch at the back with plenty of trunk space, and, just in case you need to escape from any bad guys, it has a 550 horsepower AMG V8 in the front as well. Aston Martin released this, honestly, gem of a press photo showing off the great cargo capacity of the DBX SUV. Look at that. That's a whole 5 face shields in there. But all joking aside, it's great to see that Aston Martin is actually working hard to pivot its resources towards fighting the novel coronavirus as soon as it possibly can. With a goal of 150 face shields per week, Aston Martin is leveraging its resources as best it can as a small car company that only sells a couple thousand cars a year. Now, it's actually kind of heartening to see that Aston Martin hasn't spent a ton of time doing a big promotional press photo shoot or anything like that just to show off their new delivery of the face shields. You look at the picture, it's almost iPhone quality press photo right here, which is great to see. It is great to see that Aston Martin is focusing its resources on what really matters, bringing personal protective equipment to the people that need it. We can only hope that when Aston Martin does deliver these masks this week, that they deliver a bit more than just 5 masks. Thanks for watching. This has been a Rev Update.